Here is Module 4, Lesson 7, Homework Problem 2A. It's asking me to solve this word problem using a tape diagram. I'm going to first start with my RDW strategy that I use for all word problems. RDW stands for read, draw, and write. I'm going to underline any strategies I see that I must use according to the directions. It says solve using a tape diagram. So I'll underline tape diagram so I don't forget to use my tape diagram or my tape model. I'm going to go through and read the word problem the first time, not circling anything. The second time, I will read it and circle the appropriate numbers and box the question. A skating rink sold 66 tickets. Of these, 2/3 were children's tickets and the rest were adult tickets. How many adult tickets were sold? A skating rink sold 66 tickets. Of these, 2/3 were children's tickets, and the rest were adult tickets. How many adult tickets were sold? Now, in this box where I have the question, I'm going to circle adult because we have children's tickets and we have adult tickets in this problem, and I don't want to get myself confused in what I'm actually trying to solve. Since I must use a tape model or a tape diagram, I will first draw my ribbon. I look back at my word problem and see that they sold 66 tickets. If 66 tickets were sold, that would be my total. So that would be my label at the top, 66 tickets. To figure out how many sections I need to divide my tape model into, I need to look for the fraction. The fraction is here and it says 2/3. The 3 as the denominator tells me that I need to split my whole tape model into 3 sections. The problem also tells me that 2/3 of these sections, or 2 sections, are children's tickets. So I'm going to label them children's tickets. That would leave 1/3 to be adult tickets. I'm attempting to solve how many adult tickets were sold, but first I need to find out how much each section in my tape model is worth. I have 1, 2, 3 sections. I'm going to rename them units. 3 units. These 3 units, when I add them together, are equal to the total number of tickets sold, which is 66. Since I want to figure out how much each unit is, I'm going to ask for 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to the total divided by the number of sections or the number of units. I know my 3 facts, and I can see that 3 would go into 6 2 times. This 3 would go into this 6 2 times. Therefore, 3 goes into 66 22 times. Each of my sections is worth 22 tickets. I look back at the question and see what it's asking me to solve. How many adult tickets were sold? I can look at my tape model and circle that one section, which is my adult tickets, was 22 tickets. I then take that information and I must write an statement. There were 22 adult tickets sold. I check my statement. There were 22 adult tickets sold, and make sure that it complies with the question they are asking. How many adult tickets were sold? 22 adult tickets were sold. So I know I have completed my problem.